This is the Turbo Do 3000. Here we have the Jeep Safari Edition. All right, there. Oh, Jeep is absolutely destroying. Oh, the car takes it. Oh, okay. Oh, and the Jeep wins.